lásìkò tó wá wọnú ilé a máa mọ̀ sí rere gbogbo gàtúbà á tún ṣe a máa mọ ẹ lára a máa wà náà lára ọlọ́fin á tún wá tún pọ́pùlà sí
Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Crossblog X TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below, and please always check your notification button for all our news updates. Yeah, thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes and share. Thank you so much. Today I'll be talking about we all know the three musketeers. I don't need to tell you about them, but Bugbalamo three musketeers ni ogunwusi family, and they are the Ooni sisters, and we all know what they did during Queen Naomi's marriage while she was in the palace. Bugbalamo nǹkan tán fojú Naomi rí àwọn three musketeers tó wà nínú ilé. So listen, I'm going to be showing you a video. You will see that these same three people, they are praying seriously for Mariam Anako. Oríṣiríṣi àdúrà ló ń gbà fún. As you can see in this video, you can see the three musketeers again. Ooni sisters praying for Mariam Anako. We are big in the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. I'm sure that whatever they tried with Queen Naomi, they will never try with Mariam Anako, because we can see that Mariam is agbalagba ni Mariam kò ṣọmọdé tó wà naive, you know. They won't try that shit with her. And they rántí pé Mariam ní police background. Mommy, ex-commissioner of police ni. And all the people that surround her, her sisters, they are all into one or two. Into politics in a way. One were attached. One of her sisters was assistant to Gbajabiamila, Femi Gbajabiamila, you know. So we all know.
Gàtúbà á tún ṣe a máa mọ ẹ lára a máa wà náà lára ọlọ́fin á tún wá tún pọ́pùlà sí
ìyàwó wa tó bá gbọ́ olórí ẹbí tó mẹ́ta dúrà fọ́ ẹ̀ ìrè kan méjì tó bá dé sọ̀mọ́ ẹ̀ tó máa mọ́ ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Olórí ẹbí òkú sì lè sókò láìpẹ́ bí agbára Ọlọ́run ìrè kan méjì máa sọ yìí ẹlẹ́dàá bàbá wọn ẹlẹ́dàá ìyá wọn amúwọlé àṣẹ ìyá bàbá.
We don't know what's going to happen in this one. Kilo Mashele, what's going to happen? Are they going to continue this trouble? Fit, you know, but more. Please drop a comment down below. What do you think? I know Mariam will face them, because even looking at Mariam's face, oh, John bring no nonsense. And them I will bring to pay later till low. I can buy nonsense. O to any police background so back be. All my station, all my maybe this Mariam Anako's one, yeah. Ìyẹn la máa fi mọ̀ pé àwọn princess gan lè sùn gadroom nílé Ifẹ̀, torí tán bá try anything woman yìí máa deal pẹ̀lú wọn. And you can see that in this video pé òun gan wò wọ́n ni, she was looking at them pé ẹ̀yin ẹ má worry ẹ má gbà lẹ́ni. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comment down below. Kí lẹ rò, what do you think? As you can see as well in this video, the brothers are there too. Adeyeye family are all there. Olori Obi, one pray for, but we all know that our Brinlamani Walani family, because as you can see, all these on his brothers, they don't look like someone that have time like that. They are not even. I'm not sure they live in the palace. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. What do you think, Ben? You know, so I want Korini good at because they want to pray. But àbúrò wọn tiẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa kó ní fọkànbalẹ̀, you know, but the sisters àdèmọ àwa dúdú tá bá fi nǹkan mi là ní sínú nǹkan mi là máa tú jáde. But I wish them luck. I wish Mariam and Anako happy marriage life. I wish happy marriage life. I enjoy marriage and I'm sure she has heard enough about a lot about the three musketeers, so I'm sure she'll be able to deal with them. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And you people didn't notice anything, no? Iyalaje and Erelu, they are not in this wedding. Mi ò rí wọn around the kankan nínú wedding yìí. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Drop a comment down below, because we all know that even the last kiniti Ooni of Ife lọ wọ́n lọ outing tó lọ sí church Mama Esther Ajayi. Iyalaje, this Iyalaje was there. What's going on? Is it that she and this lady are not on the same? I'm going to play this video. Iyalaje was with Ooni of Ife. Wọ́n jọ lọ sí church Mama Esther Ajayi. She's not in this wedding. Oh, sini wedding rara. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. Kí lẹ feel? Is it that Iyalaje and Erelu are not on the same pace with Mariam and Anako? Or is it that they see that is not, as you can see, drop your comment down below. The anniversary, yes. Because kò yé wa báyìí o, àmọ́ bóyá àwọn àti Mariam and Anako wọ́n sí the same pace. Because we all know that Iyalaje ó máa ti gbáṣọ wọ̀ ni, wọ́n á ti kó gbogbo bling bling wọn sọ́rùn, wọ́n like kó máa lọ kó máa bọ̀ kó ṣáà máa rí wọn, you know. Even you can see it, you know, in this video gbogbo àná là ń wò. We all know her. Bó ṣe ń lọ tó ń bọ̀ tó ń bling up tínú ẹ̀ ń dùn. Ó like, she likes her anywhere she is. They should see her like she's there, you know. But in this wedding tán ṣe yìí, Mariam and Anako's wedding, we didn't see her there. Rí wọn ńbẹ̀. And we also remember àgbà tí Queen Naomi náà wà ní palace tó bá ń ṣe party tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó ń lọ outing, ọjọ́ máa ń bọ́ síwájú ni. You can see ọjọ́ ń lọ wọ́n jọ ń bọ̀ ni. So I don't understand. Please drop your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Kí lẹ feel? Ṣé eru kan ti tún rúbọ ni àbí báwo? Àbí, you know, even party Wasiu, as you can see in this party, Wasiu's party, she was náà àwọn ni tó ń lọ bọ̀ bling bling everybody ń kí wọn up and down, you know. Nǹkan tó fi wá sí ní party eléyìí kò yé mi ò understand rárá at all. Nǹkan tó fi sí ní party, I don't understand. Please drop your comment. What do you think? Ṣé notice pé party Mariam and Anako, she wasn't there. Àti fìdí wọn rárá, àbọ̀n busy ni, àbọ̀ fún assignment kan lọ ṣe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please. Even Erelu, she's nowhere to be found. What's going on? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Àbí Ooni ti cut wọn off pé wá ẹ má máa dá sí marital affair mi mọ́, ẹ má dá sí relationship mi mọ́ ni, àbí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? You know, drop your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Thank you. Stay tuned. Enjoy your video. Bye.